nice. Whoa.
Cooked.
The amount of fog. Holy shit.
That is the point of no return.
Hello guys. Today is a really festive day because as you can see around us it's goddamn winter. To honor the Christmas spirit, we're gonna put Christmas lights on our e-scooters, on the DT2Pro and on his classic G2Master. Also, it happens that in our city there is the biggest Christmas market in Europe, so we're gonna take the scooters after we get them full of lights to the Christmas market and see people's reaction. If you wonder why this video was late, it's because we kinda did a little crash together. Yeah, there are a little marks here and really goddamn bad here on the LED.
And we survived.
But his G4 is totaled.
The G4 is pretty much cooked. The wheel is not so straight anymore. And come here.
Oh, and accelerator.
Yep.
At least you have the display.
Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but we could install the battery from it.
True. Before we have to install the Christmas lights, we have to wash the scooter. As you can see, it's really goddamn dirty. Look at it. And in order to pay for the hospitalization bills, we've got a sponsor for this video. Cooper. Cooper.
What is Cooper?
Good question. It's a website where you save money, like honey, but it's not gonna steal your information.
Oh, okay. I like saving money.
You're right, cute little white helmet. Everyone likes to save money, but let me show you how to do it. You have to type Cooper extension. It's gonna work on any browser, Opera, Chrome, Edge, Firefox. Anyways, you're gonna press on the first thing that appears and add to Chrome. Now, once you have Cooper, you're gonna be on this page where you can find every single store that gives you cashback and coupons. There are a lot, and that's over 76,000 retailers from all over the world, and you can receive the money from PayPal, gift cards, bank cards, anything you'd like. Let's say I want a new Adidas tracksuit because, come on, they're drippy. With Cooper, you can get up to 5.6% cashback back, apply rewards, and it's just gonna automatically activate cashback. I'm gonna select the size, add to bag, collect all savings, and it's gonna give me all the best deals and coupons for this. So if you want to save money, you can give Cooper a try. Everyone likes free stuff, right? Now, how we're supposed to do this?
Insert money.
Do you have money?
I don't have money. Insert it.
It insert. Confirm. Come on. Civil machine.
Camera gets scanned. Oh, there you go.
Thank you. I hate machines. What? There is a trash bin. Oh my god. We're gonna kill the spot. Inserted? Yeah. Come on. Ooh, there is so much on on the bottom. Preparing for the Christmas light. It's waterproof. Oh, the charge is for two. Perhaps too much pressure. Stop. That's it.
This scooter doesn't explode.
Something that I didn't consider is the fact that it's 1 degree outside, almost freezing, and I absolutely washed the hell out of my scooter.
You have to go to my place
To get the G4 battery?
G4 battery.
We arrived at cute little white helmet place. We removed the G4 battery successfully. We got the old G4 panel off.
Now it's time to get the battery out.
Watch out to not get electrocuted.
Oh,
Yes.
come on, bro. You hold them.
Oh no, I don't want to hold them. Look how many screws.
Come on.
Okay, you're not gonna be able to take it out.
Why?
It's really hard. It's working with the stick.
I don't know, bro.
It's not even a stick, it's a whole entire plank. Imagine if it explodes right now.
Nah.
It's gonna take us out and the plastic white to know on the ceiling.
Bro, batteries don't explode like this.
Oh, yeah.
No. They actually do explode.
Well, at least we got the fishbowl. It's gonna protect. What the hell? What the fuck is this?
With the plastic.
Oh, it's plastic? Yeah. Oh, so it's not real. Look at this. It's a mantis. Cool. Can we appreciate the level of engineering that goes into dissolving the glue?
I cannot believe how bad Kukirin has designed this piece of.
We're using a whole entire hair dryer just to heat up the metal to get this adhesive off the battery. Tactic
Fuck.
work. The tactic work.
Look at this, bro. What was Kukirin thinking, bro?
After using
A lot of force
and the blow dryer.
this is the G4 battery, okay?
Ooh, it's a lot heavier than you would expect.
Yeah, because it's a 20 amp hour battery. It's
With 60
a
volts.
beast.
Time to remove the screws. Oh, the G4 battery is a lot bigger than this.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Look at the size difference. This is just a beast.
It doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit?
No.
No, it doesn't fit.
Bro, it doesn't fit. I swear.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Peak engineering. So all that work for nothing?
Yeah, definitely. But we should connect it anyways.
Yeah,
just to
we
see
can
how
try though.
fast it goes.
Yeah, come on.
3, 2, 1. I should throttle it up?
Yeah, do it on dual, come on.
90 kilometers an hour.
Holy shit. It's literally overcharged.
So we're gonna accept defeat and we are gonna put the G2Master battery back. But we're gonna go and get
Christmas lights. It's done?
Yep.
After the G4 battery failure, we're trying to fix my scooter with an imbus key. If the scooter fell on this side and the handlebar got more crooked, you have to fight with it. Is it working?
Absolutely not.
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's working. Give me another foot. That's it. Stop. Well, that fixed it. So now that my scooter is fixed, I can ride safely, hopefully. Also, to not gross you out, guys, with these little wounds, I got myself a pair of gloves. Plus, it's really cold outside. Now we're going to the mall. In how much time we have to go?
1 hour.
1 hour to get the Christmas lights.
Yep.
On the other side of the city.
Exactly.
Holy.
I have to speed run this shit.
We have to surf through all of this traffic. This is the advantage when you have an e-scooter. You can just pass next to cars like nothing. Go, 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 go! Holy, the traffic! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! The traffic is a bit insane at this hour. Combined with the fact that it's foggy, it's really bad. 1 degree weather, plus rush time hour, plus the fact that we have to hurry, plus the fact that we have to travel 10 kilometers to the other side of the city. A real challenge, not gonna lie. Just to put some goddamn Christmas lights! Holy smoke! Look at how eerie that looks!
Look how nice that looks, bro. It looks like cyberpunk.
Cyberpunk? Wait, 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 wait! Priority, priority, priority!
I cannot see anything with this helmet.
Come on, no, 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 no! No! Yeah, the traffic this point is just overwhelming.
There is nothing we can do.
You know why there is so much traffic? It's Friday, coolest Christmas market in Europe. Match it, in the center of our city right now. Come on. Come on. Oh, the 5 potholes! Oh. Right, bro? Yep, he was just annoyed. Your little white helmet ain't joking. He's speeding like a madman.
Bro, I was driving like a madman, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I told them. I don't think I ever had a video on this channel with this much traffic. Bro. What? The Porsche is using the tram line. Yeah, look, 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 you see? He passed through all of these cars. Hopefully the cars are gonna be able to see us, at least until we put the Christmas lights on, because otherwise they're just gonna make us tortilla breads. Left?
Yeah, because we have to go on the bridge.
Wait, it's kinda complicated as you can see. Oh, vamos, not good. Come after me. The classic e-scooter move.
When I want, I identify as a car. The other time, I identify as a pedestrian.
Holy, look at this. I'm just speechless, bro.
Wow.
The 10th time I make a comment about the fog, but it's just epic. Alright? You moved the whole parking.
Oopsie.
Good question.
You need battery power.
This one
Bro, 17 meters is insane.
is manageable.
Way too much. You also need batteries. Come on, let's go.
My Christmas shopping. That sounded zesty, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we appreciate the amount of fog that's next to us?
Come on. It's incredibly cold also.
And now we have to go to your mission and hopefully then put the Christmas lights on.
Yeah.
And your mission is gonna take us where? Exactly in the middle of the Christmas market.
No, not that.
Next to the Christmas market.
Yeah. Come on, we go on the sidewalk.
Holy! It wouldn't be nice to fall there. Where the hell is cute little white helmet? Oh, there he is. Holy slippery. I can't even see 10 meters in front of me. These are not good conditions to ride an e-scooter. We chose a really bad day for filming.
Definitely, and my hands are frozen. My scooter, look at this, bro. My scooter is frozen.
Okay, cars are racing us. This is just insane. I'm gonna go slower than him. He's a madman. He has to go to his mission. I'm not gonna die today. This is not the type of weather you're gonna want to be hurrying in. Oh, at least it's green. Also guys, I didn't do justice to this Ausom DT2Pro when I review it. I didn't have the full acceleration power on it. This thing goes like a G2Master, even faster.
My balls are frozen.
In place?
Yeah.
Hit them with the hammer, they're gonna defrost. One of his side lights stopped working. Is that the police or the ambulance? It seems that they let us pass this time. Come on. Oh, hey, the park on this scooter! It's like start and stop on a car. It's the most useless function ever. Oh. No, police, you idiot! Holy shit! What the hell? What was his problem? What? Holy! It became even worse. Alright, you give me the power bank to charge my camera.
Okay.
I'll put the Christmas lights right here on the sidewalk.
Okay.
And you go do your side quest. And then we'll meet up again.
Okay, perfect. Hold this.
And the USB-C. Oh, here is USB-C.
See you in a few minutes.
Bye. This is it. Exactly right here. The sidewalk is big enough to sustain Christmas light montage. So with that in mind, it's time for the Christmas lights mounting montage. And they work! Look at the lighting modes. We also got lights from my Christmas tree, exactly the same and they're battery powered.
Are you done?
The first pack of lights is finished. Let's see how it looks. Eh?
Festive.
Festive!
Very festive. It's time to do my lights also, so that's gonna take a long time.
Back to work. Can we appreciate the whole entire line of Christmas lights? Alright, both of the scooters are lit up. The Ausom looks absolutely amazing, just like the Coca-Cola truck from the commercials.
Exactly, bro.
And yours, you kinda did it only on the handlebar, but still looks cool because you have the festive lights mode.
Yep.
And the G2Master side lights. Only this one, yeah.
We don't talk about that.
We don't talk about that. And now it's time to bring them to the biggest Christmas market in Europe, or the most beautiful one at least. I don't know how the POV looks, but 100% it just looks amazing. I'm really curious how many heads we're gonna turn with these things. At least now the cars are gonna see us. It's a fog prevention tool.
Red light.
Red light. Hopefully we're not gonna get arrested because it's gonna be full of police. But come on, the police gotta understand. It's the Christmas spirit. We have a police car there, we have a SWAT van there, another SWAT van there, and 300 people there.
Okay, no problem.
1,000.
Go next to our scooters, no problem.
No problem?
No problem. We cannot cover up the fact that we are in a definite loss with this Christmas market.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah,
You think this is profitable?
100%. Who doesn't like a little Christmas tree and little red mustaches? Bro, there is a whole entire roadblock. Look in front of you.
Yeah.
Come on, tell me, with the fog and everything, it looks out of a story tale. Look at the big wheel thing, the Eye of London.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it makes
Look, oh my god, look at how many people there are. Yeah, slow and steady. Yeah, we're definitely attracting a lot of eyes, I can say. But I think people like it. The people are intensifying, I can say, and more people. Ford Mondeo? What is the Ford Mondeo doing?
You realize that that is the point of no return.
Yep, we're gonna go straight in front.
That was
The kids loved it. Come on, it's a vibe. And all these decorations, it's worth the money, even though we're not gonna pay our bills 3 months from now on. And look at, come, bro.
okay, I get you.
You cannot say this looks absolutely insane. It's better than Vienna.
It's not better than here.
It's better than Vienna, 100%. We have ice skating, we have a church, it's better than Vienna.
Okay, yeah. Freezing.
You're freezing?
Yeah.
I think that's the end for today.
I cannot feel my feet, my hands, and my feet.
It's really cold for riding scooters.
Yeah.
But you know what? At the end of the day, if people smiled when they saw the scooter, it was 100% worth it.
Oh, how wholesome. He's definitely not doing this to get more money.
So thank you guys so much for watching until the end. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribed. I wish you happy holidays and see you next time.